ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka jingalang juga kunhun menteri ka Sorkar jila ha ka shpotre unaitung araja pusau. Kala menjur ban menteri kami ke skim balawan ra da ka Sorkar India na ka bantawan Kyrshan Pisa ya ki Koidi. Ki bawan na ki Longgieng ki baha pa ulan ke jingduk ne ka bilu poverty line kenang bakinabla ban pentulun chakmat ya ka Ïakhun ya ki mukadma ne ban yo siu na ka banta ka bai Jamin. Ya kani la pentep do menteri lang ba ka jilau kon kongkal sangma ha ka Ïakhun bagi la pathai kubor ha ka baula pentep baka kunhun menteri kala ya theriatai ru ha ka bai dai bat ka Meghalaya goods and services tax rules bat kentup ru ya ki kendon jong ka value added tax ka badai ka khajna ka baki trai petrol pump ki haban siu sha ka Sorkar.
Regarding a scheme that was initiated and implemented by Government of India, which is a scheme for financial support to poor prisoners. This is basically a scheme of Government of India and states are supposed to implement it. The financial impact is zero for the state as the entire amount is paid by Government of India. This is basically meant for BPL and obviously you have to be a citizen of India. Prisoners who are in prison and are not financially strong enough to be able to take up different bails and different procedures and payments to be made so that they can be free or they can come out or they can fight their case in the court. So in all these aspects there's a program that has come out by Government of India and all the states are supposed to implement it. We have been preparing this for the last few months. And now we are ready to roll it out. And so this is approval today was given by Cabinet to implement the scheme for financial support to poor prisoners. The Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Rules, which is a ex post facto approval. Basically what happens is once the GST Council, which is the apex body for the GST law and the rules, when the amendments are made at that level, all the state governments have to then adapt their own tax rules, GST rules, according to the decisions that were made at the GST Council. So basically there were a large number of rules which had to be amended. These are just procedural aspects. So those were done today. I won't go into nitty-gritties of that because those are just procedural aspects, some names somewhere, some minor amendments here and there. But it is mandatory. The second was that we have also come up for a proposal where payments of arrears that is there under the Meghalaya Taxation Act in terms of the VAT and the sales tax that is to be paid by the petroleum and the other petroleum products, basically petrol pumps. As you're aware that in some cases there were some petrol pumps that have not paid the dues that are due to them, and because of financial situations the interest is piling up, and hence to avoid a situation where things just are not resolved in the future and these interests keep piling up, we have come out with a one-time kind of a settlement program with the different petrol pumps, where we are freezing the interest amount and the principal amount and then dividing them into equal installments. Depending on the amount that is due, the installments will differ. But the idea being that we are giving an option to the petrol pumps to be able to repay the amounts of the tax that they're supposed to pay, which they have not, some of them, amounting to close to 35 crores. And with interest, it's about 3 crores more. So about 38 crores is due, and the different petrol pumps, as I said, depending on the amount that is due, the installments, number of installments will be given to them, an option will be given, and we expect that the petrol pumps should accept that this particular proposal. So that was a second decision that was made.